let's move on to the next part of this lesson, learning theories. Please watch the following video and answer the questions. What happened in the video? What happened in the video? Why did the dog produce saliva when seeing the stick? And why did the dog still produce saliva without seeing the stick? Can you find out the answers for the questions? This video is about the experiment in the behaviorist theory. Conditioning is the result of three-stage procedure: stimulus, response, and reinforcement. We have many other examples also. What is behaviorism? This is a learning theory which studies observable and measurable behavioral changes. In this theory, learning is defined as the acquisition of new behavior in a student. We have two types of conditioning: classical conditioning and operant conditioning. Classical conditioning involves pairing a naturally occurring stimulus with a response. Then, a previous neutral stimulus is paired with a naturally occurring stimulus. Operant conditioning is the method that occurs using negative and positive reinforcement. Operant conditioning is the method that occurs using negative and positive reinforcement, or rewards and punishments at the same time. The father of behaviorism is Ivan Pavlov. Pavlov's dog is a well-known experiment in which Pavlov used classical conditioning. After him, Skinner invented the Skinner box associated with operant conditioning. He said that education is what survives when what has been learned has been forgotten, and the consequences of an act affect the probability of it happening again. These are some assumptions of behaviorist theory. Principles of learning apply equally to different behaviors and to different species of animals. Learning processes can be studied most objectively when the focus of the study is on stimuli and responses. Learning involves a behavior change. Organisms are born as blank slates. They know nothing when they're born. Learning is largely the result of environmental events. In the behaviorist theory, students are asked to repeat sentences correctly. Correctness is rewarded by teacher praise or some benefits. From behaviorist theory, many teaching methods appeared after that, like audiolingual method or direct method. This is the summary of behaviorist theory on language learning. The stimulus is what is taught. The students will respond to what is taught, and the teacher will provide reinforcement either in the negative form or in positive form. So what does behaviorist theory look like in a classroom? The teacher gives positive reinforcement like rewarding students for good behavior or negative reinforcement like punishing students for bad behavior. So, what are some strengths and weaknesses of behaviorism? The strengths of behaviorism are the teaching facts, simple procedures, concepts, and rules. Most of the time, it is successful when learning cues are the same as the desired performance. However, there are some also weaknesses like it is difficult to transfer learning to novel situations, or it can have unpredictable result when stimulus is absent and no problem-solving strategies are seen.